Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on division by repeated subtraction. Concrete materials are useful when it comes to gaining an understanding of the operation known as division. We can use these concrete materials and apply repeated subtraction to them in order to start to understand what is involved with the process of division. Example 1. Mr. Jones has 12 pens on his desk. He needs to create a number of groups from these pens. How many groups can he create if there are 4 pens in each group? So let's start the process of subtraction. Let's take away these 4 pens here. So they're gone. They form one group. Let's take away these 4 pens here. They're gone. And let's take away these 4 pens here. The grouping process we saw in the last video showed how to arrive at 4 pens in each group. That is, we start by grouping 4 pens at a time until no pens are left. So that's what we did here. We grouped 4 pens at a time until no pens are left. So the number of groups is 1, 2, 3. Example 2. Arrange 14 lollies into piles of 7. How many piles are there? Now here we've got 14 lollies, but we need piles of 7, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there is a pile of 7. Okay, so just pretend we take that pile away and put it somewhere else. Now let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here's another pile of 7. There it is there. So we take that pile away and we put it somewhere else. How many piles are there? There are 2 piles. Base 10 materials can be useful when we are working with groups. Example 1. Betty had 18 sweets on a table. She wanted to arrange them into groups where each group had 6 sweets in it. How many groups can be formed? Are there any sweets left over? So solution. Let the following base 10 materials represent the 18 sweets. So that's 10 plus 8 singles. There's your 18. 10 plus 8. Easy to see. To make groups of 6, we need to trade the block of 10 for 10 ones. We now have the following base 10 blocks representing the 18 sweets. So you see this block here, that's a block of 10. See that? There it is there. What we've done, we've created 10 ones. There they are. So that still gives us 18 sweets. We now construct the groups of 6 as follows. So here we go. Let's start doing some subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that forms that group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That forms that group. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That forms that group. So we end up with 3 groups and no sweets left over. So you can see there how we've done some division by repeated subtraction. Example 2. Parents donated 52 books which were to be sold at the school fete to raise money for educational resources. The fete organiser decided to package the books into bundles of 13 so that they would be easier to transport. How many bundles would be formed by using this packaging method? Would there be any books left over? Solution. Let the following base 10 materials represent the 52 books. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52. To make a group of 13, we need a block of 10 and 3 ones. So that's how we make 13. Let us do some trading by giving away one block of 10 for 10 ones. We now have the following base 10 blocks representing the 52 books. So basically what that means is, for example, see this group here, this 10, this long, we took that away and we replaced it with these. So it's still exactly the same, 10, 20, 30, 40, 52. But now we can form equal groups. So let's go. That one we take it away and put it there. This one we put there. That one we put there. And that one we put there. So we've taken care of all the longs. Then we take these. Now that's all we've got left. Okay. So that one goes there. That one goes there. This one goes there. And that one goes there. See how we're sharing them equally? That one goes there. That one goes there. That one goes there. And this one goes here. So we have to do them systematically. This one goes there. That one goes there. That one goes there. And that one goes there. So see how we kept taking away? That's the repeated subtraction. And look what's happening. 1, 2, 3. There are 4 groups. And there are 13 in each group. And there's nothing left over. So we've just seen some examples of doing division by repeated subtraction.